One common pitfall from many real estate investors is determining that after repaired value. It's difficult to underwrite that after repaired value. Case in point, you found a property that you can buy for $600,000 and you think it's going to be worth $1 million after it's been repaired. Ask someone's opinion. Ask your realtor, who might have a bias. Ask your lender if there's any resources that they can share before getting too far into the process on whether or not that after repaired value is there. Why do you want to do that? Because you could get all the way to the end and find out that you've wasted your time and possibly lost money. If you've got a contingency on a purchase and you've got an earnest money deposit, your earnest money deposit is at risk. All the work that you've done to get that loan approved and to vet that property, including home inspections, gathering documents for your lender, paying for a third-party appraisal, which can be costly and time-consuming, all those things can be avoided by just asking someone else's opinion on that after repaired value. Come to us. We'll give you an honest opinion, and we have resources at our disposal. We can give you an automated valuation model. Comment Fifi down below. We're happy to help, and we'll reach out and help you out with that automated valuation model.